Hey guys, Dennis here with a quick announcement. I'm joining the 2019 Openers Open. What is it? It's a contest? No. A competition? How do I explain this? I don't really exactly know what it is. Perry over at SW Dweeb has invited me and a bunch of other YouTubers to come together separately in our own ways to create a bottle opener. So we're each going to create a bottle opener and we're going to do it in our own way. So I've got an idea for something that's a little bit out of the box. SW Dweeb, you'll probably see a casting on that channel. Some other YouTubers have joined and I don't know exactly what they're going to do. If you're a creator, if you have a YouTube channel, I invite you to create your own bottle opener in your own way and style. Also go and tag your other favorite YouTubers and ask them to create a bottle opener in their own style. Make sure you tell them about hashtag 2019 Openers Open. 2019, which way is it? Yeah. No, this way. I swear this is the first one I had. On May 24th, we're all going to post our videos and you, the viewers, can watch them. It's not a contest. I don't think there's a prize. It's just a fun activity for everyone to showcase their own skills and artistic... Anyway, look forward on May 24th for hashtag 2019 2019 Openers Open. Alright, so that's it. I guess this entire video is just me telling you that I am going to make a bottle opener. And a bunch of other people are going to do it too. And it should be really fun. Should be really interesting to see all the different designs and come together under one hashtag. The wife's calling. Gotta go.